So you guys, we're gonna play. Don't press the button. So before we start, make sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. So this is the help Santa find the present. I don't know where. Oh, what happened? I'm gonna press. Yes, complete the obbies to build the snowman. So this obbies easy. I actually. Oh, I played. Don't um. I pl- I'm good at obbies because I play um Tower of Hell until spinning tower 2 and slap towers. Remember guys in the last video? My first video actually. I forgot that. Wait. Wait lang. Wait. What is this? Why are we in the jungle? Wait, isn't this the no, I fell. I fell guys, I fell. Back, back, get out. I will win. Point, point. Wow, whoa, what was that? Can I jump, jump? Oh no, oof. I killed one. I oofed one, guys. Yo! Yeah, I'm so pro at this game, guys. Yeah, I'm still sick, by the way. I still have asthma. Oh, wait! Bro! Why do I always get linked? Now get out! Yo! No, 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 no! No, I died. Come on, we gotta win this game. Yo! What's the problem? I'm stuck. I'm gonna win! No! 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 No, man. That's fine. Time, find the exit of the maze. What's the exit do? We need to find the exit of the maze. We must exit the maze. Wait, what's the exit? Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, let's become somehow. Oh, it's scary now. Wait, I'm gonna. Yeah, so this my phone is so laggy when it's mostly gonna. it's mostly gonna be laggy, guys. So just chill. What were the proof? What? Get it up? Why? What again? Already? Yeah, finish. Yeah, guys, this is an OG game. This is an OG game, right? Yeah. It's an OG game. Sometimes I just go on top of here. How do I get on top now? If you guys played this before, you know how to get on top of this the button press. That's it. Bad word. Oh nah. Where are we gonna stay? You know what? Stay on top of me. Wait, 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 wait. Where can I get on top now? Guys, should I play Ebit for the next video? Comment if you want. Or if you don't comment, I will still play it. It's fine. Eh, this is off to a bad start, guys. Uh, yeah, yeah. Hiya, hiya. Oh my god, it's so hard. Oh my CBD. Get to the water. Oh, are we a photo? Ah! Oh my god. We're just both safe. Oh, okay. Find a black sycamore. Come on, come on. Oh, I found another one. No! It, is somebody dying? Yeah. Oh, I fell. Don't fall in the lava. Where's the lava? Okay, no, 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 no. Fast, fast, fast! I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna do this, guys. I'm gonna do. Yo, 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 yo. What? What's the other thing? Is flying. Oh my god, die here. Um, yeah, me. Me. Ballerina. Put. Yeah, just to do this, guys. Lol. Yeah. I'm gonna do this. Hey. Guys, I'm so pro. Just gonna think outside the box. See? Stamp. Get to the other side. Easy. Oh, never mind. It's not easy. I literally said easy and died immediately. Yo! Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the ocean. I'm gonna hit the cheat. Oh, see, I can't get. Was there just a car there? What the Sigma? Don't fall off. Film. Okay, chill. Okay. Oh, due to the Roblox gravity, I cannot fall off. Only see three of us here, but I just four. Oh, never mind. I ain't gonna fall off, guys. Oh, sorry. Wait, what was that outside, bro? Yeah, bacon's always good. Okay, Of course, it's not that. What's that? Is that one? What? Ability with light. I can one. What's happening? What's happening? Is there like a month? Yeah, guys. I get the silence right there. I forgot I'm recording a video. Forgot I'm recording a video, guys. And it's 10:17 a.m. In the field. Cat Sonic Henry. Who's Sonic? Oh, that guy. The box. Yeah, I'm so pro. Which shut up? Where? Oh, I don't pass this when I was a kid. It's so hard. See? I don't even know how to go up now. Long. Hiya, 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 hiya. Because I'm gonna do it for now. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna be pro. Yeah! I'm gonna be pro. Bacon. Oh, never mind. Oh, man. Okay, I'm definitely gonna win because what is happening right here? What is happening right here? I don't think they see me. Wait, let me respond. I think I'm gonna get. Oh, yeah. And this is all for it today's video. Hope you subscribe and hopefully you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe because yeah. And Bacon Boy zooming out. Ratatatatata.